How do you adjust hand so it doesn't write on your notes when using your iPad, right? So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. But what you are referring to is the palm rejection. So whenever you're using the Apple Pencil, you're writing on a screen, but you don't want your palm touches to be recognized. And in the Notes app from Apple, it kind of works. It's not ideal, but it kind of is built in a little bit. But the point is that if you need more features than that, I would recommend you to explore third-party options. For example, GoodNotes is a great app for this particular purpose because it is like, an app designed specifically for handwritten notes. And when you tap on your profile, go to settings and then find the stylus and palm rejection, you can see here that you can choose the stylus, to be the Apple Pencil. Then you have the sensitivity of the palm rejection. So the point is that if you feel that it doesn't work good enough, you can make it go higher. Make sure that you click on high and also choose your writing posture because you can see that there are more ways you might be typing with different hands and styles and whatnot. And this, when properly selected, will help out the app to know where your palm happens to be, and it can reject the palm touches much better. So obviously I'm not affiliated with the app and there are other note-taking apps as well, but I'm just showing you what has worked for me. So let me know your thoughts below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.